In OpenTTD, railway transportation is a low-cost and highly profitable type of transport. By connecting cities and factories with established railway networks, you can transport cargo and passengers over very long distances. First, decide which type of railway you want to build. Options include regular rail, electrified rail, and modern monorail, etc. The cheapest railway type is the standard rail. Later, you can easily upgrade it to electrified and other high-speed rail types. For railway transportation, you need starting and destination stations. Let's add stations at the locations where we will provide transport services. First, we will build a single-track railway network based on the Old World system. Therefore, I am placing single-platform stations. While placing the stations, I also connect the tracks to each other. I am building a two-platform cargo station here. This will demonstrate how passenger trains can pass through without stopping at this station. In single-track railway networks, signaling and passing loops are required to operate multiple trains. I am creating these loops in available areas. Now, to prevent trains moving at the same time from colliding, I am completing the signaling for these passing loops. Now it's time to test. Yes, more than 5 trains are operating smoothly on the same line. They wait for each other without any issues. Now let's create a two-way railway track. Let's build stations in the areas we will serve. This time, I'm setting up stations with 2 platforms. Let's make the connections between the stations and lay down the tracks. To allow switching between tracks, let's place crossover tracks at the station entrances and exits. If you are operating transport on multiple tracks, signaling is very important. For this, let's place the signal signs. And now it's time to check, yes, more than 5 trains are operating on the same line in both directions. Now let's connect the two-way railway line with the one-way line. Let's connect the one-way track, where entry and return use the same line, to the two-way railway in a way that allows access from all directions. Now, let's add passing loops and signaling to this connecting railway, which will be used by multiple trains. Now, let's purchase the trains that will operate between the two different railway lines and set their routes.